We won our silver rating, but today we are not playing Push Your Luck. Another game over. Alright guys, down faster than I expected. We are going to play Hexanaut. Oh, there it is. That's a pretty fun game. I've played it a few times. I played it a few times before starting the channel. I like full view. So we're watching this ad together. Do not worry, you are not alone in this. Okay, Graceful Scout play. It takes a very long time to load. Like, I think one time I waited for like 10 minutes, and that's when I gave up. It still hadn't loaded, so it could have gone on for like forever. I don't know. But yeah. So we're at Red Copper. It's Graceful Scout. I don't really like that name. Boisterous Lion, Glowing Magician. Not really. Alert Farmer, Fierce Rogue, Joyful Waistcoat, Friendly Puffer. Okay. Friendly Pufferfish. There. Friendly Pufferfish. Yeah, they're very friendly. Oh, sorry guys. I think I muted y'all for a second. I don't know how I did that, but that was cool, I guess. Oh yeah, this is nice. Just waiting. Yeah, I'm just gonna wing it now because this is taking too long. What should we play? Let's go here to this website. I don't know. We aren't playing Narrow One. No. Subway Surfers. I couldn't think of it for the longest time. I don't really know. It's just weird. I haven't played this in a while. Let's see. 3 weeks. That I have no clue what I'm doing in this game. What did I do? I like the music, with the vibe. Hey! Oh no.
Which automaker employs the most hourly workers in the country?
We are in this ad together.
Which automaker assembles the most vehicles in the country? Ford.
I don't know if y'all like Subway Surfers.
It's a commitment.
A
commitment Ford dealers share by offering employee pricing across a full lineup of Ford vehicles.
Now get employee pricing available across a full lineup of Ford trucks and SUVs. Employee pricing. You pay what we pay. Only at your Best in Texas Ford dealer.
I will get back up again. Okay, no. We got 1,268. Go beat that, guys. Go beat it. We're in 9th place. Let's try and get to 8th. If we get to 8th, we'll win the video. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, I was so fast. I wonder if I can do oh god. I'm really confident. If you can do that, you have some confidence. No, I died. Okay. I don't know if you died. Or if you, like, selected. To the church. Mission bonus. What's that? That's what I can proudly say is I did stuff. Really just you got kidnapped. Save me. Button. And another ad.
With
Wow.
over 200 million drivers, you've done more
if you
than
like
make
this
Ford
going,
America's all-time best-selling auto brand. You've
we're
enabled
gonna have
Ford and Southern
3 more
Quality Ford
tries at
dealers
it.
to donate billions
But
to
if we
communities.
can't,
This June, buy a Ford vehicle and help celebrate
We'll try
an
another
important
day.
additional donation
We
to
got
these
tonight.
causes. That's Ford,
Not bad.
building together.
Now
Our
get
first
employee
try
pricing
as
plus
well,
3.9 for 72 months on Bronco
Three
and
more
Bronco Sport,
tries.
plus an additional 1,000 bonus cash
Three
on
more.
Bronco, only at your Southern Quality Ford
I
dealer.
don't know why I did that so dramatically.
With over 200 million drivers, you've done more than
This
make
is
Ford America's all-time
exactly
best-selling
similar.
auto brand. You've enabled
This
Ford and Southern
last
Quality
one,
Ford dealers to
so
donate
great.
billions to communities. This June, buy a Ford vehicle and help celebrate an important additional donation to these causes. That's
We
Ford,
need more
building together.
tries.
Now get employee pricing
If we
plus
get
3.9
another
for
ad,
72 months on
I'll
Bronco
stop
and
it.
Bronco Sport, plus an additional
I'm so
1,000 bonus
tired of
cash on
ads.
Bronco,
Like,
only at your Southern Quality Ford
that's why
dealer.
I like small channels, like my channel, because we don't have ads. Because like, who wants to support a small channel that nobody's ever heard of? Okay. If I started a business, that's what I would want to do. I was so close to the Bronco. Do you think I should have gone for it? What happened? Why is it just black? You know, we just... What? Where else was I supposed to go, man? You need more coins. What do coins even do, though? Press space. Menu. I got 20 words. So cool. Got it. Okay. Let's go. Okay. 3 steps. Okay. Let's go. It's gonna be our high score. No, that's what I'm going for. Oh. Sorry, guys. It's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay. I'm tired. You see the dog barking in the background. What's wrong? I'm a dog. It's really chill. I should never have. Boom. Let me go. I got it. What does it do? Let's retry that. Well, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching, even though we had to... I don't know what the word is. Sorry. Change direction. Pivot. Sorry. Make sure to like and subscribe.